Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to record a Roblox with OBS Studio. If you want to be a gamer or you just love posting your Roblox edits, then in this video I'll show you how you can capture your Roblox screen using the OBS Studio. So first you have to make sure you have the OBS Studio, then open it up. Then if you have created a source, that's good, you can go with that. Otherwise you can create a new one and go to the settings. Then once you get in the settings, on the left side you have to go to the option for output from these options. As you click on the output, then you will get the option through which you can manage your recordings. Now you have to select the option that I am selecting into this video. Under any specific option, you have to simply click on this option and do a drop down. Then you will find the options. You have to select them. Once you have selected, make sure you also click onto that apply option to apply it. Once you're done with that, then you can go to further options. Like first you have to check out what quality you want of your recording to be, so you can manage, like if you want the best quality or if you want to focus on the efficiency. You have selected the option, click on apply and OK, and then you have to again go to the settings. As you click onto the settings, now you have to go to the audio section. If you want to also record your audio while you're playing, you can also manage all these options that are here. Like if you also want a desktop sound or the audio to be also captured with that, you can also manage it. And you can manage from which source you want the audio to be recorded, and make sure you always click onto that apply option. Otherwise whatever settings you select, these settings would not work. Then you can go to the video section and you can also check out the quality and the resolution you want the video to be recorded in. You can also check out the formats, like in which format you want the video to be recording, and the fps as well. Once you have selected, click on apply and click on OK. Make sure you select the same options as I have selected, then you will get the best quality of your screen recording while you're playing the Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.